So let's see what inside the box. Okay. I think this is for the grass collecting. You have to put together this thing. You have to look. It cost 150 euro. It's not too much money, and I hope it runs well for this money, and so I hope I'm happy. Here you have the user manual. In here you have the battery, the 3 ampere battery, and they say all two batteries together you can cut about 300 square meters grass. I say it already. Here you can press. You can see it's 2 full. In fact, on 3 is full all. The good thing is on this system from Einhell, this is a Akku driller you can use. The same battery and it works. So in fact you can use the battery on all kinds of this machine, and you can swap the batteries how you want. In this package for 150 euro I got 2 3 ampere batteries and a charger. I have already some batteries from this company and charger, but here you can see very easy system. You can plug it in here. You plug the cord in. When it's full, it's full. When it's this is a holder. I have to see for what it used. This is a mean machine, in fact. So I will see now on the table how it works, and I will show you. First I will fix the basket together for catch the grass. Looks like in fact they say you just put it in here and then you first I take out some plastic. Have a look how it will be working. Take the cover off. I hope you can see everything. Now we let it run, we will see how it works. To take the battery out, you just have to open it here. And here it has like a secure lock. When you take this out, it's like a fuse, it's off, and the engine don't run anymore. You only have to press the button on the battery and you can take out the battery, and example, next one in, you can look before it's full or not. This is 2 point from 3 full, so in fact you should charge it, but it also will run now. You just plug it in here, you put the fuse back, and then charger is also very easy to handle. You just plug your battery in, you connect it to the electricity, you turn it on, you can see it's charging. When it's done charging, this light will go on, and then the battery is full with 3S. Mean you can cut grass for 150 square meters each battery, and like I said before, you can use